Many people rest, but they don't feel restored. They sleep, they take breaks, they sit down, and still the tiredness stays. This can be confusing because rest is supposed to help, but rest doesn't always restore, not when the mind keeps running. Most people rest with their body while their mind is still working. They stop moving, but they don't stop carrying. They think about what's next, what they didn't finish, what they should be doing instead. So the body rests, but the system doesn't. Rest becomes another activity, another thing to do correctly. That's why it doesn't feel restful. Restoration doesn't come from stopping, it comes from letting go, from letting the body and the mind arrive in the same place at the same time. High functioning people struggle with this because they're used to staying alert, staying available, staying ready. So even during rest, they stay slightly tense, not on purpose, out of habit. True rest isn't passive, it requires presence. It's a moment where you're no longer planning, preparing, or performing, even briefly. That's when the nervous system softens. That's when energy actually returns. High functioning people don't need more rest. They need moments where they are allowed to fully arrive without guilt, without urgency. Because when rest doesn't restore, tiredness lingers and life starts to feel heavy, even when you're doing everything right. This is part of living a balanced life. I'll see you in the next reflection.